Giving an interview is really a great way to learn new things. It will let you push your limit and dig deep to that particular question. So, welcome back, friends. Once again, I am here with you on AWS Cloud Platform where I will give you a demo on possible failure of NAT gateway creation. So, while giving interview for the AWS solution architect, infra engineer, or cloud engineer, interviewer at some point asked me this question that what may be the possible reason of failure of net gateway creation and how you can troubleshoot it, how you can find out that why it is getting failed. So in this demo video, I am going to show you what are the possible cause and how you can rectify it and where you can actually get the error message. So let's go ahead and create a VPC first and give name demo VPC net, and I'm keeping the CIDR block of 28. So if you're going ahead of 28, it will not accept. So you can give the CIDR block in range of 16 to 28. And I'm going to select only one availability zone and only one public subnet. I don't need the private subnet part. I don't need NAT gateway. So please be careful. NAT gateway is chargeable. Whenever you are going to create a NAT gateway, AWS start charging from their end. I don't need endpoint for S3 gateway. So here is the full diagram. I'm going to create a VPC and it has a AP South 1A availability zone. It has a route table and internet gateway is attached to it. So let's go ahead and create. So if you look at to this particular VPC, it has a CIDR block of 28, means that it has 16 IP address available for different kind of purpose like assigning to the EC2 instance, NAT gateway. So out of the 16 IP addresses, starting 4 and last one is reserved by AWS itself for the internal communication. So we are left with the 11 IP address only. Let's go ahead and create the EC2 instance. So let's go and launch EC2 instance, demo EC201, and I'm going to keep every as it is and going to select the key pair, and in network settings I'm going to select NAT VPC, and it has only one subnet which is public one. Select existing security group and let's keep the number of instance 10. So I'm going to launch 10 instance with all these settings. So let's click on launch instances, view instances. So these are all 10 EC2 instance. Now understand that we do have 11 IP address left and out of which we have created 10 EC2 instance. So we do have only one IP address left. Let's go ahead and create a NAT gateway and let's see what going to happen. Create a NAT gateway and select this particular subnet, and we don't want public elastic IP get assigned and create it. So let me know through your comments whether it's gonna create or not. Currently it's showing in pending state. Finally we are able to get this NAT gateway with the IP 10.0.0.5. Now let's go ahead and create another NAT gateway with same subnet. Now it's in process. Let's go to NAT gateways and try to refresh. So currently it's in pending state and right now we are getting error. So you can see it in state message. Subnet has insufficient free address to create this NAT gateway. So this one is one of the possible reason of failing of NAT gateway creation. So what exactly you got from here is that if you don't have the enough IP address in your subnet part, then your NAT gateway creation would be failed. So this one is the first reason you can answer that there is not sufficient IP address. Because of that, it is getting failed. Besides this, there are other cases like that you are trying to create more than 5 net gateway in a availability zone. So there is a quota limit of 5 net gateway in a particular availability zone. You cannot exceed more than that. Third reason, which is like you trying to associate an elastic IP, like that if you are going to create a net gateway, here you are getting an option of select an elastic IP. And if you are trying to select an elastic IP which is already associated with some other resource, then it also throw you the error and net gateway creation would be failed. If you are trying to create a net gateway with the VPC which don't have the internet gateway attached, then it will also get failed. So these are the four possible main reasons which is causing the failure of creation of net gateway. Besides this, there are lots of other reasons you can Google, but I believe that this is whole from my end, and you may like this video, you may find this video informative. Please do not forget to like and share this video.